Students, today we are going to learn remaining problems on the volumes of solids. So continuation. Next ninth problem, continuation of the problems. Find the volume of a right circular cone. Find the volume of a right circular cone of height h and base radius r using integration. So we have to find a volume of a right circular cone, means it is the right circular. We have to find this is the cone. Right circular means it is the circular angle, and height is h and base radius is small r. Then we have to find its volume by using integration method. Okay, by using integration method. So consider how we get right circular cylinder means consider a right angle triangle OAB. OAB is a right angle triangle. Here right angle is there. It is a right angle triangle with OA equal to h distance and AB equal to distance r. Okay, I am considering the right angle triangle OAB with OA distance is h and AB distance is r. If this triangle area, this part, if this part is rotating about x-axis to rotate అయితే ఏమవుతుంది మనకి, we will get like this. Okay, it is a cone, right circular cone. ఇది rotate అయినప్పుడు we get a right circular cone వస్తుంది. height is h and base radius is r. దాని యొక్క వాల్యూమ్ కనుక్కో. Okay, I am considering right angle triangle OAB with OA equal to h, height is h and radius AB equal to r. Now, the right circular cone of height h and radius r is generated by, ఎలా వస్తుంది అది, generated by revolution of the area OAB about x-axis. This OAB triangle total area is revolving about x-axis. Then we get right circular cone of height h and radius r. The figure is like this. Okay. A figure ఇలా వస్తుంది, ఈ విధంగా వస్తుంది. Right circular cone, ఈ h distance it is h, ఇది AB is r. And what are the coordinates? Coordinates of A. In x-axis this distance is h means, this distance is h means it is h comma 0, and this distance is h, this distance is r means b coordinates are h comma r. Okay, a coordinates are h comma 0 and b coordinates are h comma r. Next, sorry, now I am taking the equation of this line y equal to f of x curve. So I am finding this equation of a line OB, hypotenuse equation formula. We have 2 points 0, 0 and h, r. So y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 into x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, formula is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Here x1 equal to 0, y1 equal to 0, x2 equal to h, y2 equal to r. So substitute in this formula, you get, okay, y minus y1 means 0, y2 minus y1 means r minus 0, x2 minus x1 means h minus 0 into x minus x1, x and x1 means 0. So simplification we get y equal to r by h into x. It is equation 1. We got equation y equal to f of x curve, y equal to r by h into x. Okay, and limits are what, 0 to h. Okay, the formula, required volume formula is integration a to b pi into y square dx. So 0 to h, limits are here 0 to h because it is from 0, 0 to ah, 0, therefore 0 to h is the formula. So limits are 0 to h, pi is it is y square means y, what is the y value, r by h into x. Y square means r square by h square into x square. Okay, r square by h square into x square dx. This is total pi into r square by h square is constant outside, integration 0 to h x square dx. Okay, next pi into r square by h square. Next here x square integration x cube by 3 0 to h. Okay. So pi r square by h square 1 by 3 outside x cube 0 to h. Upper limit minus lower limit 1 by 3 pi r square h square into h cube minus 0 cube. 0 cube means total 0. So 1 by 3 pi r square by h square into h cube. H square into h cube means h square cancel. Here square cancel, only 1 will be remaining. So 1 by 3 into pi r square h, only 1 h. So pi r square h, 1 by 3 pi r square h. Cubic units is the volume of the volume of the circular cone. Volume of the cone with radius. It is the problem. Okay. Next problem. The area between the parabolas y square equal to 9x equal to x and x square equal to 9y revolves about x axis. Find the volume of the solid so generated. And the area between the two parabolas y square equal to 9x and x square equal to 9y, this area, it is x square equal to 9y and y square equal to 9x, two parabolas intersection. The area is revolving about x axis, then find its value. Okay, so first of all we have to find intersection points with intersection points this and this. So given parabolas y square equal to 9x, x square equal to 9y, and point of intersection solving 1 and 2 from the equation 1 y square equal to 9x. Next, okay, y square equal to 9x, and from the equation 2 y equal to x square by 9. So y value, substitute y value, x square by 9 whole square equal to 9x. So x to the power of 4 by 9 square equal to 9x. So x to the power of 4 equal to 9 cube, 9, cross multiplication 9 square into 9, 9 cube x, and it comes to LHS, it becomes minus x to the power of 4 minus 9 cube x equal to 0, and x common in this. X is common. X common means x cube minus 9 cube equal to 0. That is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 or x cube minus 9 cube equal to 0, that is x cube equal to 9 cube, that is x equal to 9. So x equal to 0 or 9. X equal to what value? 0, 9. If x equal to 0, y value x square by 9 means 0 square by 9, that is 0, means in point is 0, 0. And if x equal to 9, y equal to 9 square by 9, 1, 9 and square cancel, 9 will come, 9, 9. Means the intersection points are 0, 0. This intersection point is 0, 0. Okay. This intersection point is 0, 0. This intersection point is 9, 9. Okay. Next. Intersection points are over. Next. The volume, required volume, means this part is revolving about x axis. We get like this. ఈ ఏరియా రివాల్వ్ అయినప్పుడు మనకి ఈ విధంగా ఒక వాల్యూమ్ వస్తుంది. ఇందులో వస్తుంది వాల్యూమ్ అరౌండ్. ఈ వాల్యూమ్ యొక్క వాల్యూమ్ అనుకోవడానికి ఫార్ములా, రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫార్ములా v ఈక్వల్ టు ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ a to b pi into y1 square minus y2 square dx, which is y1, which is y2. Upper curve is the y1, lower curve is y2. Upper curve means what here? This is the upper curve. Means y square equal to 9x, that is we have to take y1. So y square equal to 9x, so y equal to square root of 9x, that is 3 into root x. Root 9 means 3. Next second curve, it is the lower curve, this is the lower, x square equal to 9y, so y equal to x square by 9. So substitute this curve, we have to take this curve as y1. So y1 square means what? y1 square means root 9x whole square, root 9x whole square means 9x, and y2, this curve will take this curve as a y2 lower curve, so x square by 9 whole square dx. Next, whole square and simplify. So 0 to 9, limits are 0 to 9, pi into 9x minus x square by 9 whole square dx. X square by 9 whole square means x to the power of 4 by 81, remaining is same. Next, integration pi into 9, x integration is x square by 2, 1 by IT1 coefficient, x to the power of 4 integration, x to the power of 5 by 5. Okay, 0 to 9. So upper limit minus lower limit, if you substitute 9, pi into 9 square by 2 minus 1 by IT1 into 9 to the power of 5 by 5 and 0. If you substitute 0, this term is 0, this term also 0, total 0. Okay, simplification only. Next, 9 into 9, 9 cube by 2, 9 to the 1 by 9 square, IT1 means 9 square, 1 by 9 square into 9 to the power of 5 by 5. So here 9 cube is the LCM and 9 square ki emaitundi 9 to the power of 5 ante 9 cube migulutundi. 9 cube is common, 9 cube common, 1 by 2 we will, and here 1 by 5, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 9 cube means 9 into 9, that is 729 pi into LCM 10, 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 means 3 by 10, that is 729 pi into 3 by 10, that is if we simplify 218.7, 218.7 pi cubic units is the volume of the volume of the solid revolving about the lines. Here given revolving about x-axis is given, therefore it is the formula. If it is a y-axis is there, then the formula becomes C2d pi into x1 square minus x2 square into dy. We have to write y limits. Here revolving about x-axis, therefore it is the formula integration a to b pi into y1 square minus y2 square dx. First of all, find the intersection points, that are the limits, and then use the formula and take y1 and y2. Upper curve is the y1, lower curve is the y2. Okay, and substitute and integrate and substitute the limits and we get the answer. Okay. And do the remaining and next problems, homework problems. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolution of the area bounded by x square plus y square equal to 25, x-axis and lines x equal to 3 about x-axis. About x-axis means it is the formula integration a to b pi y square dx. You have to substitute the limit. Limits are 2 to 3. You have to write y square value from the equation and you get the answer. That is 56 pi by 3 cubic units. Next, second question. Find the volume of the solid generated by revolution of the area bounded by the curves y square equal to 9x, y equal to 3x about x-axis. It is also previous problem formula integration a to b pi into y1 square minus y2 square dx. You have to find first intersection points, find out the intersection points, then upper curve minus lower. Substitute in the formula integration a to b pi into y1 square minus y2 square dx. I think its graph will be y square equal to 9x. We get like this and like this area. One more time I will try and draw the neatly. 180 curve and y equal to 3x line. This area is revolving about what is given x-axis, x-axis only, means it is upper curve, parabola is upper curve, it is y1, it is y2. Okay. Substitute and simplify, you get 3 pi by 2 cubic units is answer. Do the homework problems and complete your Fire notebook. By this, the fourth unit is totally completed. And next class we will start the next unit, fifth unit. Okay. Do the homework problems, and if you have any complete the Fire notes. If you have any doubts, please send me a message or call. Okay, thank you.